907, the capital. The lady earned $3 billion last year. Talking about Taylor Swift and the Eras Tour. And you know what? We have special guests in the studio today. Voices you haven't heard in like, I don't know, 20 years?
Almost.
Yeah, almost 20 years, like
Almost,
19 and a half years. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Carlo Lasiste.
And what is going on? Living legend Butch Alinas, everybody.
A live legend, Carlo Lasiste. And of course, fellow DJ from Y96.
Dr. Jim.
Dr. Jim.
I like your name. Sounds like coffee.
Yeah. Speaking of which, yeah, what's up? We're just basically messing up with the airwaves today, so we want to show how it's done. How the good old days are.
Exactly. You know, it's so weird being on the air again after so long, and but it's like riding a bike.
No. But you know what, Butch? When I was still a little boy, I was listening to the radio and I heard you one time. Yeah, I was in kindergarten and
It makes me feel. Oh, thank you. But anyways, like what I said, we're just messing around. Hope you guys are having a beautiful, beautiful day. Starting Monday, depending on.
Depende ni Paul.
Hey. Well, anyways, we're going back to the music. We're boring the crowds.
all right, let's go.
Let's go. Here's Jenny! And this one's called Like Jenny.